In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Team in Lovable. To get started, open Lovable and head to the home page. Once you're there, take a moment to get oriented with the layout. The area we need is located in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. So if this is your first time using the platform, just give yourself a second to spot where the main settings and tools are listed. From that left sidebar, click on Connectors. This section is where Lovable lets you link outside services to your workspace, so anytime you want to connect another app or account, this is usually the place to begin. After the Connectors page opens, look for Microsoft Outlook and click on it. Even though the video title refers to Microsoft Team, the connection shown here is made through the Microsoft Outlook connector, which is part of the Microsoft sign-in flow used inside Lovable. So if you see Outlook listed, that's the correct option to choose. Next, click Add Connection. This tells Lovable that you want to create a new Microsoft-linked connection for your workspace. After that, click Connect to begin the authentication process. At this point, a new browser tab should appear automatically. If it doesn't open right away, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups because the sign-in page usually launches in a separate tab. In the new tab, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. Follow the on-screen instructions to get a sign-in code for your Microsoft login. This is a standard part of Microsoft's secure verification process, and it helps confirm that you're the person authorizing the connection. Once you've received the code, go ahead and enter it into the sign-in prompt exactly as shown. After you type it in, continue with the next prompt that appears on screen. Depending on your Microsoft account settings, you may be asked to confirm permissions or approve access before the connection is completed. Just carefully review the prompts as you move through them. When you finish that sign-in process, Lovable should be able to complete the connection in the background. If anything seems stuck, a quick refresh or returning to the original Lovable tab can help you confirm whether the connection was added successfully. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of adding the Microsoft connection in Lovable. If you're following along, take it slowly during the sign-in stage, especially when entering the verification code, and you should be set up in just a few moments.